Welcome back to my channel. Today we will design toggle door mechanism. You can see here our model is ready, so we can design as step by step. So first take new part, sketch, select plane, click on rectangular, insert another rectangular, give dimension of 100 mm, vertical is 100 mm, inside dimension is 70 and 70. Make center rectangular as a reference line and click on the circle. Click anyway to add circle and give dimension. You can design same as my model, 5 mm and 6 mm, and the circle dimension is 5 mm. Same way here we can give some add relation and dimension is 5 mm. So our profile is ready. Give extrude, give thickness 2 mm, add some appearance, give wooden style appearance. Save the first file. We will design more 3 design, and in the last section we will assemble all the parts. And dimension is make parallel, and dimension of center to center is 122.07. Radius 12 mm. Okay, 6 mm and 5 mm diameter. Give thickness 2 mm. Add appearance, add steel body, again save them in previous folder. Same way to design lower part, double rectangular, 100 mm, 100 mm, inside rectangular 70 mm and 70 mm. So it's our you can make a wrong side hole 5 mm and 5 mm. Now same way, give extrude 2 mm. Okay, give appearance of wooden style. Same way to save this part. Again go to new file. We will create frame design. So the dimension is 150 mm and 200 mm. Add another rectangular, give dimension of 10 mm, 90 mm 50 mm, and bottom side add 200 mm is our inside dimension. Extrude it. Make a hole. Click to circle and add relation equal. Give dimension 5 mm. 5 mm, 5 mm. Same way to bottom circle, 5 mm and 5 mm. Go to feature, extrude it 5 mm. Again give appearance. So our frame is ready. Save it to same folder. Go to sketch, add circle. We will create here a distance piece from door to door to frame. So distance piece, add 2 mm. Add some space for lower door and upper door. So our spacer is ready. Go to assembly. We can assemble all our parts. Insert component. One by one we will assemble all our parts. Here some error. So our frame is ready. Go to mate. First we will click on right click and add float. We can manage here our frame in front plane and right to right, so the center is created. Now add first part of upper door. Go to mate, click inside circle and outer circle. Select face. OK. Give dimension from face to distance. Same way to add lower door. Go to mate, select face, inside face, outer face. You can see here the distance between upper door and lower door up to 2 mm. Circle inside and inside. OK, drag it to front side, click face and face. Same way to click this link. OK, first we will add spacer. Click inside inside. Face to face, click on our linkage, circle to circle, make concentric. You can see our profile is ready. We can change the dimension. We can change lower part dimension from okay, it's our profile is absolutely right. Okay, change only 5 to 6 to 5 mm. Make a parallel. So our assembly is ready. Make appearance. It's look good. We will animate our toggle door mechanism. Add motor. Give distance and select frame ratio of 60. Click on calculate. So you can see here our assembly is ready.